children, happy morning to all. In today's maths class, we are going to learn measurement. Okay, ma? See here, children, we have a tall mango tree, short plant, tall, short. This is tall giraffe, short tortoise, tall, short. Okay, this is a long pencil, this is short, long, short. Long pin, short pin, long, short. So, we are going to learn measurement of length. What is length, children? How long the object is. Length means how long the object is. See the pencil here. How long the object is. How long it is. So, now in olden days, how they used to measure the things. In olden days, how they used to measure the things? With the help of their body parts. With the help of their body parts, they used to measure the things. See here we have hand span. Okay children, hand span. See from your little finger to your thumb. How they used to measure. See my palm here. See I am measuring the laptop. 1, 2. 2 hand span. Okay ma? 2 hand span. Next comes the cubit. From your elbow to the other end. Okay, I am measuring the table. See here, I have a table here. I am measuring it from my elbow to my this one. 1.5 it came. 1.5 cubit it is. Okay, so in the same way, the fourth step also. The fourth step also. From here, it starts from here, it ends here. In the same way, you should measure and finger also. How you will measure with the finger? See, 1, 2. Got it? Nowadays, how we are measuring? Nowadays, we are using units called meters. Okay, units called meters to measure the length. Okay, ma? So, we use meters to measure the long length. We use meters to measure the long length. Okay, like example, blackboard. Okay, in the class we have blackboard. We'll measure and height of the trees also. Height of the trees and doors. Okay, the height of the doors and the room length from one end to the other end. The short length we use, for the short length we measure with the centimeters. For the short length we use centimeters. What instruments we use for measuring the length, children? We use scales and tape. We use scales and tapes to measure the length. See, I am showing some examples. This is the scale and this is the pencil. So, I am measuring the length of the pencil. See, from 0 to here, I got it 17. This is 17 centimeters. The pencil of the length is 17 centimeters. And now, I am measuring the eraser. Eraser from 0 to, it came 4 centimeters. Okay, 4 centimeters. Now I am measuring the cloth. See, it starts from 0. It starts from 0. This is the tape. I am measuring the cloth. See it. How much I got it? 80 centimeters. Okay, 80 centimeters. So, here comes centimeter. We can write in the short form cm. Meters, in the short form we can write it as meters. Okay. Kilometers, km. Kilometers means, for example children, from your home to your school, how long the distance is? That is measured in kilometers. Got it ma? In the short form you can write it km. So, the 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Children, listen carefully. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Hope you all got it. Now comes measurement of capacity. Measurement of capacity. See, here we have bucket and mug. We have this bucket is filled with full of water and this mug is filled with full of water. So the bucket has more water than mug. Okay, the bucket has more water than mug. Here we have a jug that is fully filled with water and glass that is fully filled with water. The jug has more water than glass. Got it, ma? So, see, the spoon holds less capacity of water than the jug. Okay, the spoon holds less capacity of water than jug. So, how we will measure the capacity of liquids? Okay, how you will measure the liquids? Liters and milliliters are used for measuring capacity. Okay, children, liters and milliliters are used for measuring capacity. For liters, for the large amount we use liter. Okay, for large amount of measuring the liquids we use liter. For the small amount of liquids we use milliliter. Liter, in the short form we can write it L, and milliliter we can write it ml. See here, small amount ml, 1 ml, 25 ml, 500 ml. For the large quantity, 1 liter. Okay, ma? You got it? The measurement of the capacity? Okay, children. Now we are going to learn measurement of weight, ma. Measurement of weight. Okay? So, here we compare two things. Okay, comparing the two things. The stone is heavy, the feather is light. Heavy, light. And the pumpkin is heavy, the piece is light. Heavy, light. An animal is, an elephant is heavy, the rat is light. Heavy, light. So, with the help of this balance scale and weighing machine, we weigh the things. Okay, with the help of the balance scale and weighing machine, we weigh the things. So, here we have carrot. In the weighing machines, we have carrot, and the other side we have block. Okay, 1 block. 1 block is equal to 1 carrot. It is equally weighed. Okay, got it, children? Now, here we have 2 tomatoes and 1 broccoli. 2 tomatoes is equal to 1 broccoli. It is equally weighed. Next one, pineapple. Pineapple, and the other side we have blocks. How many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. 6 blocks is equal to 1 pineapple. It is equally weighed. The other one, we have here 2 blocks and 1 tomato. It is equally weighed. 2 blocks is equal to 1 tomato. Got it, children? Now, see here. We have kilograms and grams are used for measuring weight, ma. Okay, kilograms and grams are the units used to measure weight. Okay, for the lighter objects we use grams. Okay, for the heavier objects we use kilograms. Okay, children, for the heavier objects we use kilograms, and for the lighter objects we use grams. See here, we have here in the balance, we have here 4 tin beans tins. Okay, 4 beans tins we have. how many blocks we have? How many kg blocks we have? Count. 2, 3, 4. 4 kgs. 4 kgs we have here. Okay. 4 tins, 4 tin beans is equal to 4 kgs.